Okay, so what I did to make these rice fritters, oats fritters, is I boiled my rice, I strained the rice, I kept the water, and the next day that water with the starch in there became stiff. I took some oats, dry oats, I mix it together until I get a stiff dough. I added a little bit of milk. Then I added some cinnamon. You can add salt or whatever you like. And then I fried it in the pan. Make sure that you wait for it to be crispy the one side before you actually flip it over. And it tastes delicious.